My name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Today I'm headed out to the road widening project of Gillis Hill Rd in the southwest section of Fayetteville, North Carolina, Cumberland County. It's been a while since I did an update on this road widening project, so let's get out and see how much work has been done and how much work is still left to be done. But it is a $22.6 million project, and it's only 1.1 mile of highway that they're widening from a 2-lane road to a 4-lane. So I'll be on site in a few minutes. This is a totally autonomous flight that the drone will be making, which means that I've already programmed everything that I want the drone to do prior to coming out to Gillis Hill Rd. And it should take less than 15 minutes to run this 1.1 mile stretch of highway. So basically, the only thing that I'll be doing is monitoring the drone, and if for some reason the drone gets into trouble, I'll just go ahead and take control and take it from there. But this is a totally autonomous flight. So let's get on out to Gillis Hill Rd and see how much work is still left to be done. I do have other videos on this road widening project, so check those out and you can see what Gillis Hill Rd was like prior to ground ever been broke to get this road widening project underway. While you're there, please hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel. You'll be notified anytime I do launch another video. I have other videos of the I-295 road widening project in Fayetteville, North Carolina, so check those out too. But anyway, let's get on down the road and see what's going on at Gillis Hill Rd. And I'm waiting for the drone to send me a confirmation that it's ready to fly. Just received signal that the drone is linked up. So let's get it up and see what's going on. Totally autonomous flight. Drone just made its turn and is heading up to the beginning of this update at Widening Road. It's flying right now to 27 miles per hour. We're 160 feet off the ground. Coming up on Widening Road right now. The drone will cross over Widening Road and it'll make a 180 to head back down this way. The drone just made its 180 turn. As you can see, Widening Road below. And this is where Gillis Hill Rd begins. This was 2 lanes up until the time when they started this road widening project. So right now the drone is coming back at 13 miles per hour. We're 157 feet above ground. And we're taking video. I do have the drone in sight. It's almost 100 degrees out, so hopefully this is a pretty short trip here. The heat won't interfere with the drone. However, it may interfere with my electronics here, my phone, which is recording this, and I'm recording on the iPad. So it's possible that we could get a little overheating here, which I hope not. My video here that I'm looking at is a little shaky, but I believe that's all in the iPad here. I'm getting some stuff. I am getting some interference from somewhere. I don't know where that's coming from, but right now the drone is straight overhead and still making its way down to Stony Point Road. I don't want to abort this flight. The drone just crossed over. Where it's headed down over the bridge. And I'm getting some flight interference signals for some reason. But I hope this doesn't show up in the video. I hope it's just a matter of the processor in this iPad. It's causing the shakiness of the video. So we just crossed over the double bridge and we're headed up to Stony Point Road and Gillis Hill Farms, which you'll see on the left-hand side. See, there's no image transmission. That's the signal that I'm getting on the iPad here. I don't understand what's going on with that. Again, it could be from the heat, but we'll see once the drone gets back. You can lose video. I just don't want to lose the drone. Coming up on Stony Point Road. I'm getting a lot of signals today that I'm losing transmission, losing video. I believe it's the heat, but we'll see once I get back to the studio and we review the video here. The drone is coming up on Stony Point and it's making its turn to head back down this way to the starting point. And as you look at the video here, all of these movements that the drone is making is has already been programmed into the drone. So, like I said, I'm not making any inputs at this time. So the drone has just completed its turn. Now it should be heading back to my location where it's going to land. I just received a signal that the drone has completed its mission and it's headed back home where it will land automatically. But it will continue to take video as it returns. According to what I'm reading here, the drone has lost all transmission signals with the base unit here. However, I'm still receiving video, so I really don't know how this video is going to come out, but we'll see. I do have the drone in sight, and it is on its way back to the launch point. So I'm going to swing the camera around. And again, I'm not controlling the drone. It's pretty close. And you'll see it automatically land on the home spot without any assistance from me. The drone is directly overhead now. I've angled it down so that you can see it as it comes down and land on the pad. And there it is. Hey, look, I want to thank everybody for watching. As you check out this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Anytime I post a new video, you'll get a notification. I do have other videos on this road widening project from the time that it actually started up until the time it well, I'm going to record it until it's complete. Right now my iPad is just totally turned off. The drone is overhead. It's on its way down. It's 100 degrees out here. My electronics is quitting. I'm ready to quit. So hey, look, check out the video. Check me out the next time on Pre-Flight Drone. Thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe to the channel. Fade to black.